Hi there, I'm Christopher Dunnigan. This is HandmadeInVermont.com, and today we're talking about the Hubbardton Forge outdoor wall sconce called the Double Axis Large. This is the 306425. I also did videos on the medium, the small, and the single sconces, small, medium, large, with the glass facing down. You should check out all of those because there's a lot of information shared among all of them, and it's a good thing to do. Anyway, let's get into size on this. This is 37.8 inches tall, and that's from the bottom of the fixture to the top, including all your glass, 5.5 inches wide, and it has a projection from the wall out of 4.9 inches. Back plates 5.5 by 37.8, so the same size as the fixture. Mounting height from the bottom of the fixture to the middle of the electrical outlet box is 18.9, so it's midway up. If you guys get a chance and you're on our page for this, HandmadeInVermont.com, for this fixture, look over on the right, and underneath the pull-down menus, you're going to see in red type, it's going to say click here for installation PDF, instructions PDF. Click on that. It should open up a big PDF drawings for you of the inside of this, drawings of the outside of it, how the LEDs work, the back plate, the inner back plate, and those are things you guys really want to see before you order this. It's a great idea. It kind of gives you this in-depth view of the fixture, in addition to just looking at pretty pictures. So you want to do that. So moving on, why don't we talk about lamping on this. This is dedicated LED. You're going to have 25 watts total, so you're going to have 12.5 watts going up, 12.5 watts going down, 1100 lumens. That's quite a bit. That's, you're looking at 275 watt equivalent bulbs going up and down. It's going to cast quite a bit of light. Those are 3000 K, so it's that cooler light, and that's the light you actually do want to go through glass. A lot of times I talk about in videos that I like the warmer 2700 K, and that's the kind of light coming down on me right now from these LEDs, and this is coming from an interior fixture. That's a whole different ballgame than when you're talking about light passing through glass. And you actually get more lumens out of the cooler temperature LEDs. A lot of people didn't know that. That's why a lot of stuff is now becoming just straight 3000 K LEDs, that cooler light, because you just get better light out of it. So moving on from there, why don't we talk about what this is made out of. Actually, let's talk about the glass really quick. So these pieces of glass are these really thick, solid optical pieces of glass. If you get a chance, go back to, I don't have a piece of glass to put on the table in front of me, but go back to the other videos I did of the single axis where they're pointing down, and I actually do have a piece of that glass, and I plunk it down on the table so you get a chance to really take a good look at it. It is an incredibly gorgeous piece of glass on its own before you get into any of the lighting stuff. Okay, moving on for glass, let's talk about what these are made out of. So you probably know by now from other videos that Hubbardton Forge only uses aircraft grade aluminum to make all of their outdoor lighting, and the reason they do that is because aluminum holds up better than any other material in harsh weather conditions. When you go to an airport, you see all the jetliners out there, they're all made out of aluminum, and they're made out of aluminum for a reason, because it's durable, it's light and durable, and doesn't corrode as much as other metals do. So that's why you use aluminum. On top of that, Hubbardton Forge has developed these baked epoxy powder coats, and they're powder coats, which means that they go into a chamber. They're sprayed with these little particles, and it's electrostatically, so the fixture attracts the little particles to every nook and cranny, and then after that's done, that goes into a baking oven where that is basically baked to a epoxy hard shell over the fixture itself and forms this almost indestructible fixture. And the reason they can offer their limited lifetime warranty, which you can see on our website or Hubbardton Forge's website down on the bottom of their front page, is because of all of those things, because they've gone to amazing lengths to ensure that these things are going to last a long, long time. And when you're spending good money on fixtures like this for outside, you need them to last a long, long time. So that is going to cover that. You can see a chart on our website. It's going to be in the Finishes Help Guide, left-hand side. If you go there, scroll down. When you get there, you can watch the video at the top, but scroll down and you'll see a chart for the new outdoor coastal finishes, and it'll show you all the beautiful finishes that you can get. Okay? When you order your Hubbardton Forge fixtures from HandmadeInVermont.com, shipping is free to every state except Alaska and Hawaii. No tax if you ship out of the state of Vermont, and we're the only dealer with 90-day returns and no restocking fees. Some larger items can't come back, their final sale. We're always going to tell you about that ahead of time on our website, on the page for what you're looking at. In addition to that, we offer a rush program. Hubbardton Forge normal production time is 3 to 4 weeks in production. We can cut that time in half. It's very inexpensive, and the upcharge is per line item. So if you have multiples of the same thing, it's super cheap. Cut your time down to about 2 weeks in production, and then you just have to add your shipping time on top of that. We have the largest Hubbardton forge showroom in the world. We have over 350 Hubbardton forge fixtures spread across 2 floors of our historic Vermont marble building. Well worth coming to see just for that. A lot of people do. And that showroom has we have a what's on display page on our website to show you what's in our showroom. It'll show you everything it's in the red tabs again on the left hand side of our screen. It'll show you everything that we have on display, and we add to that all the time too. So we also have a clearance center. So clearance center stuff is 75% off MSRP. You got to come here to use it, and it is showroom samples, discontinued stuff, and returns. A lot of fun to check out while you are here. So I think that kind of covers everything. If I missed anything, let me know. Check out those other videos, and if I did miss anything, drop a quick email. Showroom's open every day except Sunday from 11 to 6. I think I mentioned that before. And then you can call us at 802-446-2400. I'm here every day except Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., including Saturday. And you can email us 7 days a week at sales@HandmadeInVermont.com, and we spell out that word Vermont. So just kind of remember that too. Thanks for stopping in today, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.